And good evening, and thank you so much for joining me. I am your host, Eric, on Eric's weather forecast. Good evening, everybody, and thank you so much for joining us as we continue to keep you informed of this winter storm that is going to have a very big impact on southeast Michigan. And with that, let's talk about what we will be expecting, and then we'll look at the radar, and I'll have much more coverage as the overnight and Monday begin. We'll be talking about more, but for now, let's talk about what we will be expecting as far as the snowstorm is to be concerned. Okay, so this is how it all is going to shape up. Winter weather advisory in effect Monday at 12 o'clock to Tuesday at 12 p.m. So all this coverage area, all in here, will be expected to see a winter weather advisory that will remain in place for sections of southeast Michigan and western Michigan as well. And then there are going to be a few isolated areas with winter storm warnings that will also be in effect. So just be aware of that potential right there. So that is going to be another impact that will be a concern there. I will continue to keep you posted on details on that later on. Okay, so let's talk about the snowfall details. Snow is going to be expected uh, in two different patterns. We'll talk about how this is all going to all work itself out. Okay, so the first window for tonight is going to be into Monday morning with accumulations of mostly 1 to 2 inches of snow. Is what we'll be expecting with the first window, but the greater snow amounts of 3 to 6 inches of snow, that is going to be on Monday evening through Tuesday morning. So once we get into later on, late Monday evening, that's when we're going to be seeing the greatest potential, the greater snowfall, the better potential for snowfall amounts. So the heavier snow is going to be making its way into southeast Michigan, and we'll talk about the snow impacts and how much areas are going to get and how it's going to impact us as well. So that is actually part of it. So the timing details from 7 p.m. Sunday through 7 p.m. on Monday. So that's window number one. So we'll do this very calmly and slowly. So for our window number one, so the areas of snow forecast, that would be Saginaw with 1 inch, Flint, Michigan 1 to 2, Howell 1 to 2 inches of snowfall, Pontiac 1 to 2 inches of snowfall, Port Huron 1 to 2 inches, Sandusky 1 to 2, Bad Axe 1 to 2 inches of snow, Ann Arbor, Michigan 1 to 2 inches of snow, Detroit, Michigan 1 to 2 inches of snow, and then Adrian and Monroe County between 2 to 3 inches of snow for Adrian and Monroe County. As we continue on with our Monday through our Tuesday, this is how the weather shapes up for our very impactful winter snow system that will be bringing us a lot of snowfall on top of what we have to deal with already. So we're going to start off with very light snow with the 1 to 2 inches like we were just talking about, and then the worst of the impact comes as we get into the day on Monday evening. So stay tuned for that. So the impacts look like this: snow covered and slippery roads, reduced visibility in falling snow, slow commutes likely Monday morning, Monday evening, and Tuesday morning. Snow develops across the area mid to late evening and then continues over after midnight through Monday morning. Higher snow rate is expected during the peak travel period. Monday morning, especially in the Detroit to Flint metro areas. Snow diminishes to flurries during Monday afternoon and then intensifies towards 6 p.m. Monday evening. Snow becomes heavy at times Monday night with an additional 3 to 6 inches of snow expected before diminishing Tuesday morning. And we do have an announcement on that. I just got a bulletin on that just a moment, so stay tuned, please. On that winter severe update, I'll have an update on that severe weather posting in just a moment, because I just seen